कविताजितकल्लोली कन्यका कान्तवक्षसे करुणादिगुणाढ्याय कमलानिधये नमः.
Divyadesa Vaibhavam. Let's know about Divyadesams based on the Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti composed by Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami.
Today we shall know the details of the kshetram known as Tirucherai. This kshetram is also known as Sara Kshetram. The Lord here is Saranathan. Mahalakshmi bears the name of Saranayaki. The Vimanam is Sara Vimanam and the Pushkarani is Sara Pushkarani. Since there are 5 Sarams associated with this place, it is also known as Panchasara Kshetram. This place is about 11 kilometers from Kumbakonam and 5 kilometers from Nachiyar Koil or Tirunarayur, which is the previous Divyadesham that we saw. Going to the Sthala Puranam of this place, once Brahma wanted to store the Vedas and the Agamas in a pot before Pralaya. It so happens that sometimes complete deluge does not happen. There's a partial deluge that happens, after which creation re-begins. The manual that's required for creation are the Vedas and the Agamas, and these need to be stored safely during the time of this temporary deluge. That is what Brahma tried to do once. He tried to save these manuscripts inside a pot. He wanted to create a pot which could store these treasures, but he was unable to do so. So he sincerely appealed to Lord Narayana, who directed him to this kshetram. He showed him a pond and told Brahmadeva that he must use the mud which is present in the banks of that pond in order to make the pot that he desired for. Brahma tried to make a pot and he was successful in doing so. So, the content of this pot became the very essence that was required for further creation. Essence in Sanskritam is Saram. So, everything related to this kshetram became Saram. The pond which was instrumental in making this pot came to be known as Sara Pushkarani. The Lord who directed Brahma to this place also came to be present there with the name of Saranathan. Goddess Mahalakshmi took on an apt name for her spouse, which is Saranayaki, and the Lord is housed in the Sara Vimanam too. There's another interesting story associated with this kshetram. It is said that once a Gandharva named Vishwavasu was flying across a place where all river goddesses were having a meeting. He paid obeisance to the group as he flew by. When questioned as to whom did he bow down to, he answered that it was for the greatest goddess amongst them. Now all the river goddesses were in a fix. They didn't know whom amongst them was the greatest. They went and asked Brahma, and Brahma's verdict was that Ganga was the greatest. Somehow, goddess Kaveri thought that she must also get a position equivalent to Ganga, and so she did penance in this kshetram, meditating on Lord Narayana. It is said that the Lord appeared in the form of a child on a Thaipusam day. And because of this episode, the Lord here is also known as Ma Madalai Piran, the Lord who came as a baby for the sake of goddess Kaveri. This kshetram receives the Mangalashasanam of Tirumangai Alvar in 13 pasurams. It's a beautiful kshetram which gives us a lot of solace because of the very name that it bears. It is the essence of everything, the crux of whatever we need to know. So, by visiting this kshetram, we can become fulfilled in the mind and deeds. Now, let us listen to a verse composed by Ashukavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami on Tirucherai Kshetram. सारक्षेत्रे सारपद्मिन्युपान्ते सारागारे सारदेवी समेतः संसारेऽस्मिन् संश्रयः किन्त्वसारे सारस्सोऽयं सारनाथः समिन्धे.
सारक्षेत्रे सारपद्मिन्युपान्ते सारागारे सारदेवी समेतः संसारेऽस्मिन् संश्रयः किन्त्वसारे सारस्सोऽयं सारनाथः समिन्धे.